Hello everyone, I'd like to let you know about an upcoming workshop on production of specialty crops in low tunnels. This workshop will be held February 28th from 9 to 3:30 p.m. The classroom portion will be in the Urban East Region MU Extension office on the UMSL campus, and on-farm demonstrations will be at Confluence Farms. We will discuss topics such as the benefits of low tunnels as it relates to microenvironment effects such as season extension and evapotranspiration reduction. We'll also talk about the benefits as it relates to insect control and management. We'll talk about irrigation setups and design and low tunnel systems, as well as the economics of low tunnel production, as well as funding opportunities to support establishment of low tunnels on farms. We'll follow up with an on-farm, hands-on demonstration of setting up a low tunnel system. This is a free event, but registration is required as space is limited. Register by 2/23/24. You can learn more and register at the link below or call this number for more details.